Have you ever wondered about the origins of life and the mysteries of evolution? The age-old question of whether the chicken or the egg came first has puzzled minds for centuries. This debate dives deep into evolutionary biology, genetics, and paleontology, sparking curiosity across multiple disciplines. One widely accepted argument is that the egg came first, based on evolutionary principles. Long before modern chickens, their ancestors, bird-like dinosaurs, laid eggs. Fossils of leathery dinosaur eggs discovered in southwest China provide evidence that eggs existed millions of years before chickens. In evolutionary biology, species adapt through natural selection, where beneficial genetic mutations are passed on to future generations. Dr. Charles Lineweaver from the Australian National University explains that the evolution of birds from reptiles was a complex process with many intermediate species. Birds, including chickens, are believed to have evolved from theropod dinosaurs around 150 million years ago, laying hard-shelled eggs similar to modern bird eggs. Eggs provided a safe environment for embryos to develop outside the mother's body, allowing animals to inhabit diverse environments. Genetics further supports the egg-first argument. Modern chickens, Gallus domesticus, diverged from the red jungle fowl around 8,000 years ago. Genetic mutations give rise to new species. The first chicken likely emerged from a genetic mutation in an egg laid by a proto-chicken. This mutation, a combination of genes from proto-chicken parents, led to the emergence of the first true chicken. The protein ovoclidin 17, OC17, is essential in forming eggshells, converting calcium carbonate into calcite crystals, and is found only in chickens. Philosophers like Plato and Aristotle pondered this dilemma, viewing it as a question of cause and origin. Aristotle believed both the chicken and the egg must have existed eternally, leading to larger existential questions about existence and creation. Some biologists argue that the concept of an egg is meaningful only if we first define the creature that laid it. Dr. David E. Fastovsky suggests that the first true chicken may have hatched from an egg laid by a nearly identical ancestor. Genetic recombination happens throughout an organism's life cycle, not just in the egg-laying process, influencing the genes passed along. Recent insights from evolutionary biology and genetics suggest species boundaries are fluid, with speciation occurring gradually over long periods. The transition from proto-chickens to chickens was a gradual process, with genetic mutations accumulating over generations. Genomic studies and fossil records support the egg-first theory, showing that egg-laying was a fundamental reproductive strategy long before chickens evolved. Ultimately, the chicken and egg problem highlights the marvels of evolution and genetic adaptation, revealing the seamless continuity of life on Earth.